Hello everyone, today we are going to make a fantastic brownie. We will need salt, 4 eggs, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, sugar, 85% chocolate chips, and butter. So first we preheat the oven to 175 degrees. We melt the butter, add it to the sugar, then the olive oil, your eggs and mix it. In goes the salt and we shift flours and cocoa powder to make a batter. Stir gently and add 3/4 of chocolate chips and combine. Oiled a baking dish, add parchment paper and oil once more. Lastly, spread the final mixture evenly and add the remaining chocolate chips on top. Wait for about 25 minutes. Let the cake rest for at least 15 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare some coffee and tea. Voila! That's our brownie! Hope you will like this recipe. See you next time. Bye!